Hey, Audi owners! Using Audi wheel spacers to space your wheels out a few millimeters is a solid way to improve handling, widening the track width, increase tire contact, providing a smoother and more stable ride. It also pushes your wheels out past stock for a sleeker, more aggressive look. Installation costs vary depending on your Audi model, spacer quality, and whether you do it yourself or hire a professional. Do you have basic mold skills? Do it yourself to save money. Best Audi wheel spacers installation tips. Use jack and jack stand. Use jack and jack stand. Once the car is securely on stands, you can then safely remove the wheel and hub assembly to install the spacers. Clean the wheel hub. You can use a brake cleaner to remove the rust. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Torque wrench. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolt to the specific torque, always in a crisscross pattern. This will properly sit the wheel. Proper torque space. Reference torque is 140 Nm for M14 bolts and 130 Nm for M12 bolts. These are just a starting point. Some setups require adjustment. Why do BONOSS Audi wheel spacers stand out? Safety and performance are the top priorities for the best Audi spacers. And that's where BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers shine. Advanced technology and top-tier quality make them a top pick. 1. Extremely lightweight. BONOSS use hollow craft holes to make each spacer 20% or more lighter than prior models. This tiny, lightweight part won't affect your speed or suspension. 2. Top quality materials. BONOSS has been making forged aluminum spacers for over 10 years. They use aluminum alloy 60626 or 0075T6 that is forged at over 3,000 horns. They are tough enough to handle hot driving without breaking. 3. ISO grade 12.9 wheel bolts. High-strength SCM 440 alloy steel bolts securely locate the wheel, spacer, and hub connection. Thanks to their lightweight design, high-quality materials, and strong bolts, BONOSS spacers provide top-tier safety, durability, and quality. Whether you are looking for style or better handling, BONOSS meets the highest standards. Your Audi deserves nothing less. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.